Hi everyone, today we'll be showing you how to make the Wonderland funnel cake. अगर आप ये वीडियो उर्दू में देखना चाहें तो डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में जो लिंक है उस पर क्लिक कीजिए. For this recipe there's two parts. The first part is the strawberry sauce and the second part is the batter for the funnel cake. For the strawberry sauce you will be needing these ingredients: 250 grams of frozen strawberries, 200 grams of sugar, 2 tablespoons of cornstarch, 5 drops of red food coloring, 100 grams of strawberry jam, and 1 liter of water. Let's start. First pour the water and let it come to a boil on medium heat. Now you can add sugar. Now stir it until it partially dissolves. Now we can add the strawberry jam and stir it. Now we added 5 drops of liquid food coloring. You can add whatever kind you have available until you get the desired color. Stir the mixture well. You can also switch to a whisk if you like. We just have to make sure the strawberry jam is mixed well and fully dissolved. Now we are adding our cornstarch gel that we have already tempered with our hot strawberry syrup. However, if you have the powdered form, you can temper it with cold water and add slowly to the strawberry syrup and keep mixing so no lumps are formed. Once you reach this consistency of the syrup, you can pour it over the frozen strawberries. Now you can cover and refrigerate. For the second part, which is the funnel cake batter, we will be needing these ingredients: 2.5 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 cup of milk, 1 cup of water, 2 large eggs, 52 grams of sugar, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 3 teaspoons of baking powder, and lastly 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Now in a bowl we will add all the dry ingredients: the all-purpose flour, the baking powder, the salt, and the sugar. Mix all of these well. Once it's mixed well, we will add the wet ingredients: the milk, water, eggs, the vanilla extract, and now mix well. The mixture should be a pancake batter consistency. If it is too runny, add all-purpose flour, or if it is too thick, you can also add water. Once achieved, we can transfer it into a jug, a pitcher, or a bottle, or whatever you may have on hand. Heat the oil on medium heat. You can test the oil by dropping a small spoonful of batter in the oil. If it rises to the surface quickly, the oil is ready. Here we are pouring the batter in a circular motion and a zigzag motion closer to the surface of the oil to get that funnel cake shape. Once you get that golden brown color on the bottom, you can turn it over gently. Now we are ready to plate. Sprinkle the icing sugar on top of the funnel cake. Since this Wonderland funnel cake is not complete without ice cream, we whipped up our ice cream and transferred it into a piping bag, but you can also use a scoop. Now you can pour the strawberry syrup over the funnel cake as you like. Whipped cream is optional, but since we love whipped cream, we added it. We also added a second round of icing sugar. There you have it, our Wonderland funnel cake. Let's try it. Please give this a try at home and let us know how it was. If you enjoyed it, share a picture with us on our social media and don't forget to give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe for future recipes. Thank you for watching.